Want more views? Want people to love your videos? Add humor. It's like magic. Funny videos grab attention. They make people stick around. Why? Because everyone loves to laugh. Humor makes you more relatable. It helps people connect with you. It shows you don't take yourself too seriously. That makes you more likable and more watchable. Plus, funny videos get shared more. People want to spread the laughter. They show your video to friends. They share it online. Free promotion. What's not to love? So, if you want your videos to stand out, embrace humor. It's the secret sauce to YouTube's success. Making people laugh is a science. Okay, maybe not a science, but there are some tricks to it. One big one is surprise. People laugh when something unexpected happens. Another is exaggeration. Take something normal and make it extreme. Think silly voices, goofy faces, or over-the-top reactions. Don't forget about relatability. People laugh when they see themselves in a joke. Talk about everyday struggles, awkward moments, or things everyone can relate to. Finally, be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Authenticity shines through, and it's way funnier. Not all humor is created equal. Some people love puns, others prefer slapstick. The key is to find style. What makes you laugh? What do you find funny? Think about your favorite comedians or YouTubers. What do you enjoy about their humor? Is it their delivery, their observations, their writing? Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different types of jokes. See what gets a reaction from your audience. You'll start to develop your own unique comedic voice. Remember, humor is subjective. Not everyone will find the same things funny. The important thing is to be true to yourself and have fun with it. Want to write killer jokes? Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation. That's your setup. It sets the scene and introduces the joke. Next comes the punchline. This is the funny part. It's the unexpected twist or observation that makes people laugh. Keep your jokes concise. Don't drag them out. A good joke is like a good punchline. Quick and to the point. Finally, practice your delivery. Timing is everything in comedy. A well-timed pause or change in inflection can make all the difference. Section 5. The element of surprise. Using unexpected twists and turns. Remember that surprise element we talked about? It's crucial for humor. One way to use it is through unexpected twists. Take your audience down one path, then bam, hit them with a curveball. This could be a sudden change in topic, a silly sound effect, or a ridiculous visual gag. The key is to keep your audience guessing. Another way to create surprise is through misdirection. Lead your audience to believe one thing, then reveal something completely different. The element of surprise keeps your videos fresh and engaging. It's the unexpected that makes people laugh. Section 6. Editing for laughs. Timing, pacing, and comic timing. Editing plays a huge role in humor. A well-edited video can make your jokes land even better. One important aspect is timing. Don't be afraid to cut away from a joke right as it lands. Lingering too long can ruin the punchline. Pacing is also crucial. Keep your videos snappy and to the point. Avoid long-winded explanations or unnecessary tangents. Finally, pay attention to comic timing. This is the art of pausing, speeding up, and slowing down your delivery for comedic effect. It takes practice, but it can make a world of difference. Section 7. Inspiration Station. Learning from the masters of YouTube humor. The best way to learn about humor is to study the greats. Watch your favorite YouTube comedians and pay attention to what makes them funny. Analyze their jokes. Study their delivery. Notice how they use editing to enhance their humor. Don't be afraid to borrow techniques and adapt them to your own style. Every comedian starts somewhere. Learning from the best can help you find your own comedic voice. Some YouTube channels known for their humor include Channel Name 1, Channel Name 2, and Channel Name 3. Section 8. Practice makes perfect. Honing your skills and finding your voice. Like any skill, humor takes practice. The more you experiment, the better you'll get at it. Don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes. Record yourself telling jokes. Practice your delivery in front of a mirror. Get feedback from friends and family. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with your own brand of humor. You'll develop your own timing, delivery, and comedic instincts. Section 9. Lights, camera, laughs. Embracing the journey and having fun. Remember, the most important ingredient in making funny videos is to have fun. If you're not enjoying yourself, it will show in your videos. Embrace the journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn as you go. Humor is subjective, so don't take it too seriously. The more you relax and let your personality shine through, the funnier you'll be. So go out there, make people laugh, and have a blast doing it.